How to use emoji on Monopoly Go. Hi everyone, this is Susan from Create, Login and Delete, and now let's get started. First of all, install Monopoly Go application from your App Store or Google Play Store. Then after that, let's open the application right here. Now you can see the hamburger icon, which is the 3 lines icon in the top right corner. Tap on it, and over here you can see the option of My Showroom. Tap on it. Now at the bottom you can see 3 various options, that of hat, shield and a smiley face. Tap on the smiley face. Now you can see an emoji which is here by default, and you can also learn how to gain emojis just by tapping on the exclamatory icon on the top left corner. Now if you tap on it, you can see how you can earn emojis in Monopoly Go. Now let's go back. Now in order to use your emojis, you have to have enough dices in order to play the game. So right now you can see I don't have enough dices, so I cannot play the game right now. So when you land at any of the icons that have train on it, which means either during a heist or a shutdown, then you can use your emoji. So make sure that after you have completed a heist, you will see an option of using your emoji. So you can just tap on the emoji icon. Then after completing the shutdown and the heist, you can use your emoji accordingly. So that was it for today, and thanks for staying with us till the end of the video. And also don't forget to like and subscribe.